I forgot. Gaurav, we didn't record your kirtan today. Chalo. Chalo.
That's okay, sir.
Chalo, Seita.
चेत पुरुष अनंत ब्रह्मांड सृजया सबा अंडे प्रवेशिला बहुमूर्तिहान.
After creating millions of the universes, the first Purusha entered into each one of them in a separate form as Garbhodakshayi. Yes, Mataji. Okay, this we all know. Now there will be discussion of Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, just like it was for Mahavishnu. Yeah.
भीतरे प्रवेशी देखी सबा अंधकार रहिते नहीं कस्ताना करिला विचार.
Entering the universe, he found only darkness with no place in which to reside. Thus he began to consider. My voice is clear, Gaurav?
It is clear, sir. It was always better than this every day.
It used to be better than this?
Yes, sir.
No, USB audio codec. It's Hare Krishna. Is okay now? Okay.
It's clear.
Chalo, chalo Mataji.
Yes.
निजंग स्वेद जल करिला सृजना से जले कैला अर्ध ब्रह्मांड भरण.
Then he created water from the perspiration of his body, his own body, and with that water filled half the universe. Yes, Mataji, continue.
ब्रह्मांड ब्रह्मांड प्रमाण 50 कोटि योजना आयाम विस्तार दुई हाय एक सम.
The universe measures 500 million yojanas, and its length and breadth are one and the same. Okay. This is yojanas. If we can make into 8, that becomes, that's a proper Ditix calculation. Yeah.
8 miles.
8 miles, yeah. Continue,
जल
Mataji.
जले भरी अर्धा थाना कैला निजवासा आर अर्धे कैला 14 भुवन प्रकाश.
After filling half the universe with water, he made his own residence therein and manifested the 14 words in the other half.
Purport. The 14 worlds are enumerated in Srimad Bhagavatam, second canto, 5th chapter. The upper planetary systems are the Bhu, Bhuva, Swa, Mahar, Jana, Tapa, and Satya. The 7 lower potency systems are Tal, Atal, Bital, Nital, Talatal, Mahatal, and Sutala. The lower planets as a whole are called Patal. Among the upper planetary systems, Bhu, Bhuva, and Swa constitute Swargaloka, and the rest are called Martya. The entire universe is thus known as Triloka.
Trilokeshwar. Trilokeshwar. He feels like that, no? Ravana, I am the Trilokeshwar, or so many people. Hiranyakashipu, I am Trilokeshwar.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
What?
So somewhere I read that there's no death and birth in Swargaloka. People just appear as youth, and then once their pious grades are over, they're like.
That will come. Don't worry. When we read about Brahmaloka, it will come. See, this birth, old age, disease, and death are more manifest here. They Brahma's place. I think we read some time ago. The bodies are very subtle, so they don't have this gross difficulties like us. Okay.
But here it is slightly different, no? Lower 7, Tal, Atal, Bital. But elsewhere it is Tal, Atal, Bital, Sutal, Mahatal, Rasatal, Patal. But anyway,
last one comes as Patala, Hana?
Yeah, and before that Rasatal, no? Mahatal, Tal, Atal, Bital, Sutal, Mahatal, Rasatal, Patal.
And the final used to be Patala, Hana?
Yeah.
Here, the different way it is defined in a different way.
Yeah, here it is slightly different. Here one is Nital. Nital, we did not know.
And then all of them, you see, just names, and all of them are categorized as Patala.
Yeah.
Categorized in the group as Patala. Okay. And then upper planet is Bhuva Swa, others.
Yeah, that is right. That's.
So whole material world is it's called Mrityu Loka. Gaurav. Whole material world is called in the essence is same. Okay. Death not like death here. Isn't it? The Swarga, that's why they have to come to earth to see the sufferings, and get a more realistic view of life.
But that telling Bhu, Bhuva, and Swa, these
Yeah.
are known as Swargloka.
What
And the
God,
rest means Maharloka, Tapaloka, Satloka is Martloka. Is it
Yeah.
that?
yeah. See, now his question is different. His question was that in the higher planets,
Yeah.
we do not see death like in the lower planets.
Yeah.
That is what. Our Shisha is there, our expert. What are the expert comments?
For death, even for Brahma, there is death is there. After his his age is over, there will be death for Brahma also. That Mahapralaya will come.
Yes.
Death is there for everybody. The
Shini
material-
Niyama.
but that duration of length of death is different.
No, but they don't have an experience like a material world. Or
But,
like,
they-
sorry, in the like Earth. That is his point. They don't
But,
have an experience like Earth, correct, becoming old. Because Brahma, I think where we read that Brahma's body is very subtle, so they don't experience the difficulties
The
like
last chapter, sir.
we
Yeah.
read that.
Yes, sir.
The Brahma doesn't experience the difficulty like us. If somebody can locate Gaurav, the shloka.
Yeah.
I'll just I'll do that.
You understand, principle is correct,
Yeah.
Shita, what you're telling, that definitely Brahma also has to see death, that agreed. But the experience is a little different there, correct?
Because
Brahma has
it's
no
called
material
Brahma.
body.
No
Sorry.
material body. It's subtle.
He
very,
has
very
only,
subtle.
he is only Asmita, it's
All-
ego and
That preceding
Mind,
death
mind.
may not be having that similar death, but the people that who are with the karma kandi activities, Tetam Bhakta, Swargalokam Vishalam, Shina Punya, Martilokam Vishante.
And they come.
Once again they come down.
No, Shisha, they definitely come.
Yeah.
That's the point. But what Gaurav is telling in the different reading, that
So
in the
proper.
Devaloka, they go, enjoy, and they disappear. Not like they cough and they lie down and then they are on ventilator. And
That is, in one pralaya. In one pralaya up to Mahaloka, that heat goes up to Mahaloka, that the people of Mahaloka go to Janaloka.
they take planes and they run higher.
They got that higher, that planes are there. They'll go there.
Tapa.
The residents there.
All Bhrigu money, everybody, they take a flight and run above.
Go there.
That is there. A little different. The point of Gaurav was that, is it the different? Yes, it is little different. But the
Yes.
principle is same, because Abrahma Bhumna Loka Punaravartana Arjuna. Correct? Wherever
Yeah.
you go, this principle of Janma Mritu Jara Vyadhi is there, but the details are different, not like Earth.
Yes, sir.
Not like ventilator and you keep coughing,
Sufferings.
coronavirus. It will be a disaster if Brahma falls sick. We don't hear of Brahma falling sick. He's present.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
There is no bad smell and this one and all that.
it doesn't have old age and
Old age.
bending. And when Brahma becomes 80-year-old like us with a stick, he's standing, not like that.
He's young.
In fact, sir, it's written even
What
in-
is Surnath Prabhu you're telling? What is the body called?
Now, Brahma doesn't have material body, means
What do you
earth,
call it?
fire, water, it's not there. He is only having Asmita, means ego.
Okay.
Ego means mind and intelligence.
Yeah.
So subtle body.
Sukshma. So that's what the subtle
Yeah.
body. He's only.
Yeah.
Therefore, even there, he has the creation he's doing so magically from the heart, Narada is appearing. What is this all gross body not possible? Anna?
There are two types of Brahma, sir.
Huh?
One is incarnation Brahma. That is Shakti Avatar. Then is another is the first Jiva. That Jiva becomes with very pious activities.
Yes. Wait. Both you and Surnath Prabhu are talking about two Brahmas, correct? No? From Brahma Samhita, you had the quotation. No, there are two kind of Brahmas, correct?
Yeah, Brahma.
that-
That Brahma is there. That two kind of Brahma is there. That is praying for that Hiranyagarbha Brahma, praying for this one, Karanodakasaya Vishnu, for the appearance of Garbhodakasaya Vishnu in this Brahmanda. That is different. This Brahma, when Brahma, that suitable Brahma is not available.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That is
then
true.
the Lord himself
Then
comes.
agree.
God himself.
That we agree.
Yeah.
Sometimes
other-
Brahma is a Shakti, sometimes Brahma is empowered, and sometimes Lord Vishnu himself comes.
Himself he comes.
If some
Oh, but I'm just
competent,
saying, we hear no the Brahma doing the creation. His creation itself shows his body is very powerful. So Manasa Putra, what is all this? We can't even conceive.
yeah,
Correct?
yeah.
Just by thinking can he produce children? We cannot do that.
Yeah,
He gets angry and Shiva is born, you know. It's
Yeah.
inconceivable. So Brahma's body is not ordinary, extraordinary body he has. Isn't it, Shisha?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Prabhu. Yeah.
We
he's
have the-
producing from his
Ah.
back, from his front side, back side, head, hand, leg, from everywhere he can produce.
And therefore, as
With
Narada
the-
asked him rightly the question, no, are you the supreme in the second canto? You know?
Yeah.
Because he looks supreme, you know, he's unmost, but he's hanging on mala always. He's chanting. And then he explains, no, it's not like
No, I'm not.
Chalo. Okay, we proceed. Is it fine? Thank you, Shisha and Surnath Prabhu. Okay, Gaurav, is your question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Life is different there. Their bodies are different and very subtle bodies. So yes, accommodated to what you're telling, that they don't experience the old age and death like us. Okay?
Yes,
Not
sir.
like us. Okay.
Even in the lower planetary systems is the same, sir. I was reading this.
Bila Swarga, that is called Bila Swarga.
Swarga. Okay.
Only if suffering is here on earth. Therefore, earth is the best place for spiritual advancement. The
Yes.
below, what we are reading, Tala, there also great enjoyment is there, but with forgetfulness of Krishna. And above there is enjoyment and remembrance of Krishna.
Yeah. Yes.
And it is an earth actually, which is an opportunity for spiritual advancement. The best.
Yeah.
Therefore, Devatas also pray to be born on earth because the nice. And then on earth, there is earth is most auspicious because Krishna's place is here. Gokul is here.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you,
And
sir.
Ayodhya is here. Dwarka is here. Isn't it, Shisha?
Yeah, Prabhu.
The earth becomes most auspicious because Krishna chooses to come on this place.
Yeah.
And Vrindavan, Brajalila is only on earth. That is not there in the Swarga or Patala. Correct?
Even sunlight doesn't go there. No, they are only
Yeah. Low planet.
light
Nagas.
from the
All
Nagas
yeah.
only, money from
They have a
the
lot of
sun.
enjoyment. When you enter there, one beautiful girls, they embrace you and you are real fun.
Now, opulences are much more. They are more powerful, having more lust and everything. They are much more better than. They don't have disease also, very less. Rare they have disease and all that.
Yeah, the Bila Swarga. Yeah, they are also enjoying
Bila
with
Swarga.
strong body.
Yeah.
And therefore, Samudra Manthan they were doing, they were very powerful, What is it? The Danavas are also, trying to lift a mountain and bring it. They're so powerful. Prabhupada was laughing. He said, you're like ants. Just like by rubbing your legs, you can kill so many ants. The Danavas can also kill our Devatas. So many of you just by rubbing their legs.
They are capable of attacking even Swargaloka.
Swargaloka.
But nobody from the earth. Earth, I believe, only Bali Maharaj and Raja Nahus. They are the people who could. Nahus was the only person who could rule the Swarga, no? But later on, he was also cheated by the Indra and he was removed.
Katwanga Maharaj. They went to help the Devatas fight. I think they are fighting with the Divya weapons, not ordinary bows and arrows of this world. Therefore, they could help the Devatas. Because Danavas are very. When Arjuna went to help, no? Correct?
Yes.
There is a pastime of Arjuna also doing some work for the Devata.
Khandava forest.
Huh? No,
Khandava.
Devata. Not only Khandava, he went to Devaloka also. No,
Devaloka also, That Urvashi wanted to marry.
Huh?
That Urvashi wanted to marry him, that he refused to marry Urvashi. Then she cursed him that to become that
Shikandi like.
And he was given half seat there when he went, correct? Neither full asana, simhasana, half seat. Chalo, let us continue. Nityananda Ram. So there are shlokas here. This is going on now. Garbhodaksha Vishnu, then Shirodaksha Vishnu, then Ananta Shesha, and after that, there is one pastime of Nityananda Ram. Chalo. Yes, Mataji, 99.
ताणा हि प्रकाटा कैला वैकुंठ निज धामा शीर्षशयन जले करीला विश्राम.
There he manifested Vaikuntha as his own abode and rested in the waters on the bed of Lord Shesha.
अनन्तशय्याते ताण्हा करीला शयन सहस्रमस्तक ताण्ड्र सहस्रवदन सहस्रचरण हस्त सहस्रनयन सर्व अवतार बीज जगत कारण.
He lay there with the Ananta as his bed. Lord Ananta is a divine serpent having thousands of heads, thousands of faces, thousands of eyes, and thousands of hands and feet. He is the seed of all incarnation, the cause of the material world.
Purport. In the reservoir of water first created by the perspiration of Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, the Lord lies on the Sesa plenary expansion of Vishnu, who is described in Srimad Bhagavatam and in the four Vedas as follows. Sahasra Sirsa Pursa Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sa Bhumin Vishwasto Britva Tyasthad Dasangulam. The Vishnu form called Anantasayana has thousands of hands and legs and thousands of eyes, and he is the active generator of all the incarnations within the material world.
So this Sahasra Shisha also comes in Purusha Shukta, no? Shisha. Who has heard? Anybody knows Purusha Shukta?
In Brahma Samhita also.
Yeah.
In Brahma Samhita also they are.
Shobha Mataji, you have learned Sahasra Shisha, this Purusha Shuktas?
Yes, Prabhuji, comes Sahasra Shirsham Devam Vishwaksham Vishwashambhu Vishwan Narayanam.
Oh, Ivan, thank you. What is that called? The Purusha Shukta?
Yeah, Purusha Sukta.
Vishnu Sahasranam, it is there, Prabhuji.
How much you know? You know Purusha Shukta? First few lines?
Yes, Raj, I had learned when I was in sixth standard.
You remember now?
Very few words.
You sing the first line, first two lines.
Sahasra Shirsham Devam Vishwaksham Vishwashambhuvam Vishwam Narayanam Devam Aksharam Paramam Padam.
Okay. The similar is there in Brahma Samhita also, Surnath Prabhu?
Yeah. Sahasra Sirsa Pursa Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sahasra Bahu Vishwatma Sahasra Ansa Sahasra Su Narayan Sa Bhagavan Tasmat Apa Sanatanat Avirasit Karan Arna Nidhi Sankar Sanatma Yog Nidra Gatah Tasmin Sahasra Mahavishnu Sanatana Mahavishnu Swam Maha.
See the Ananta Shesha now here and in previous also one place sometimes mentioned directly as Sankarshana. And sometimes Shisha was also telling, and some people when they make chart, they put him as Shaktavesha Avatara. Correct? See the Shesha, the plenary expansion, correct? Of Vishnu. Again, here it has come as a plenary. Plenary means actually on the level of Vishnu. Correct, Shisha?
Yeah, Prabhu. That what happens is
A little confusion is coming. Let us see a few more verses. It will clarify. Otherwise, we'll have to clarify. You see, the previous also, when we read, it said that he is form of Vishnu. Because when I read Bhagavatam, it was Sankarshana, 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 which is Vishnu. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe both. Because one of the purport now, it looks like both. Okay, chalo, like your Govardhan.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Actually, this Ananta, that who is holding this after leaving this one, that Garbhodakshaya Vishnu lives after that creation. He lives and goes to Brahma's planet, and that Brahma is worshipping this Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. That Ananta will be there, and this Ananta is holding this all the 14 planetary system. That is Jiva. Is the book Mudharana Shakti.
Chalo, no, that's okay. Now it will come. Let the purports, it will come.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. Continue, Shobha Mataji, 102.
तांड्रनाभि पद्म हैते उथिला एक पद्मा सेई पद्मे हैला ब्रह्मा राजन्मा सद्मा.
From his navel grows a lotus flower, which becomes the birthplace of Lord Brahma. Shisha, it is going to come. A lot of Ananta discussion will come. That time we can discuss. Okay?
Yeah.
Because now you see 4 Vishnus and then Ananta discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, from the navel grows a lotus flower, which becomes the birthplace of Lord. Correct. Everybody knows this. Yes, Mataji, 103.
Sei Padmanale Hoila Chauda Bhuvana Tenho Brahma Hana Srishti Karila Srujana.
Within the stem of the lotus are the 14 words that the Supreme Lord of Brahma created the entire creation. Yes. Mataji.
Vishnu Mahana Kare Jagatu Palane Gunatita Vishnu Sparshana Himaya Gune.
And as the Lord Vishnu maintains the entire world, Lord Vishnu, beyond all material attributes, has no touch with the material qualities.
Purport.
Yeah.
Sri Baldev Vidyabhushan says that although Vishnu is the predominating deity of the quality of goodness in the material world, he is never affected by the quality of goodness, for he directs that quality simply by his supreme will. It is said that all living entities can derive all good fortune from the Lord simply by his will. In the Vaman Puran, it is said that the same Vishnu expends himself as Brahma and Shiva to direct the different qualities. Because Lord Vishnu expends the quality of goodness, he has the name Sattvatanu. The multifarious incarnations of Kshirodaksha Vishnu are known as Sattvatanu. Therefore, in all Vedic scriptures, Vishnu has been described as being free from all material qualities. In the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Harir hi nirguna sakchat pursa prakrite para sa sarvadrik upadrashta tam bhajan nirguno bhavet. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, is always uncontaminated by the modes of material nature, for he is beyond the material manifestation. He is the source of the knowledge of all the demigods, headed by Lord Brahma, and he is the witness of everything. Therefore, one who worships the Supreme Lord Vishnu also attains freedom from the contamination of material nature. Bhagavatam 10.88.5. One can attain freedom from the contamination of material nature by worshipping Vishnu, and therefore he is called Sattvatanu as described above.
Okay, so we can meditate on Lord Vishnu, we can come out. Therefore, Bhagavatam has that in the first canto. No? By worshipping Shiva and Brahma, you're not going to, just like a wood is there, earth is there, wood is there, and the fire is there. Famous shloka. But you need fire. So we need Sattva-guna to, and then rise above Sattva-guna to come to Krishna's lotus feet. So therefore, Vishnu's worship is recommended. He's never affected even by the quality of goodness. No modes can touch him. Okay, continue. We continue.
Rudra Rupa Dhari Kore Jagat Samhara Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Ichchaya Yanhara.
As in the form of Rudra, I destroy the creation. Thus, creation maintains resolutions that are created by his will.
Purport. Maheshwara, or Lord Shiva, is not an ordinary living being, nor is he equal to Lord Vishnu. Effectively comparing Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, the Brahma Samhita says that Vishnu is like milk, whereas Shiva is like yogurt. Yogurt is nothing like milk, but nevertheless, it is milk also.
Yes. I remember one sannyasi had long time ago visited our Bangalore temple. And we asked him the question, who is Lord Shiva? He says, Shiva? Shiva is curd, milk turned into curd. So we, wanted to know more. I said, no, can you tell us something more? Again, he quoted the same shloka. 3 times he asked. Then he said, what we can say, what Shastra says, I'll repeat. Don't expect me to tell something special. This is what we know, as much Shastra reveals, that much they should be satisfied. Milk into curd. So curd is milk, but not milk. Yes. Continue. 106, Mataji.
Hiranyagarbha Antaryami Jagat Karana Yanra Amsha Kari Kare Virata Kalpana.
He is the super soul Hiranyagarbha, the cause of the metal world. The universal form is conceived as his expansion. This is now being referred to Garbhodaksha Vishnu, correct? On the word Hiranyagarbha, we have that. Okay. Yes, Mataji, continue. 107.
Hena Narayana Yanra Amshera Amsha. Sri Prabhu Nityananda Sarva Avatamsha.
That Lord Narayana is the part of the plenary part of Lord Nityananda Balaram, who is the source of all incarnation. Correct? Is it fine? This Garbhodaya Vishnu is part of the plenary part of Nityananda Rama. So many expansions have come in between. Amshera Amsha. Is it fine now? Is expansion of the expansion. Yes, Mataji, 108. Anybody is having any doubt? Dhimat, is it clear?
Yes, Prabhu.
Chandan?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. 108.
Dashama Shlokera Artha Kaila Vivarana. Ekadasha Shlokera Artha Shuna Diyamana.
Dada explained the 10th verse. Now listen to the meaning of the 11th verse with all your mind. Now he's going to talk about Kshirodaksha Vishnu. Yes, Mataji, a beautiful shloka.
Yasyam Sham Sham Shaparatma Kilanam Poshta Vishnur Bhati Durgabdishai Shauni Vartayat Kalasopi Anantas Tam Shri Nityananda Ramam Prapadye.
Jai. Thank you, Mataji. I offer my respectful obeisance to the feet of Nityananda Rama, of Sri Nityananda Rama, whose secondary part is the Vishnu lying in the ocean of milk. That Kshirodaksha Vishnu, the super soul of all the living entity, the maintainer of all the universes. Sheshanaga is his further subpart. Okay, so now this is the glorification of Kshirodaksha Vishnu, lying in the ocean. Shira is milk, like ocean of milk. That's why I think in South India we call Shira the sweet rice. Isn't it? Anna? Sweet rice they call Shira, no? Or they call it, what they call Shira for?
Shira is kheer. Yeah, sweet rice.
Musika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Milk, basically a milk preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shira.
Yeah.
Like Kshirodaksha Vishnu, the super soul of all the living entities, yes. And in the maintenance, not only stays in this place, he's also in the heart of everybody. Sheshanaga is his further subpart, yes. 110, Mataji.
So sub part of whom? Kshirodaksha is Vishnu or
Sheshanaga is his subpart. It's the
any
same.
part is the
It can be
Vishnu
subpart
lying in
of
the
Garbhodaya, anyone.
all
All are one.
the maintainer
Eh? All are one. What do you say?
Sheshanaga hai further sub part. Yeah, Kshirodaksha is Vishnu.
Okay. Yes, I'm Shaparadara. Yeah. Chalo, it will come, Prabhu. There are a lot of verses now, similarly for the last fourth part. Yes, 110.
Narayana Nabhinala Madhye Te Dharani Dharanira Madhye Sapta Samudrai Gani.
The metal planet rests within the stem that grew from the lotus navel of Lord Narayana. Among these planets are 7 oceans. And now there is some bit of discussion will come. Yes, Mataji.
Tanakshiro Dhadi Madhye Shveta Dvipa Nama Palayita Vishnu Tandrasei Nija Dhama.
There in part of the ocean of milk lies Sweta-dipa, the abode of the sustainer Lord Vishnu. Yes.
Purport. In the Siddhant Shiromani, an astrological text, the different oceans are described as follows. 1. The ocean of salt water, the ocean of milk, the ocean of yogurt, the ocean of clarified butter, the ocean of sugarcane juice, the ocean of liquor, and the ocean of sweet water. On the southern side of the ocean of salt water is the ocean of milk, where Lord Kshirodaksha Vishnu resides. He is worshipped there by demigods like Brahma.
It will come now. The more discussion of this is coming. I was hearing that first for the 4 videos, which I just shared, the Gokul Chandra Prabhu was explaining the difference between the Shira Ocean, Swetadeepa here, and in the, that is also known as Swetadeepa, the Goloka,
Yeah. Well,
surrounded. He said, here this milk is created by the Lord, and there the milk is different.
Surabhi cows.
Huh?
Milk flowing from the Surabhi cows.
Yes, so much milk flows in ecstasy that it's covered. But here Narayana creates this, this milk is created by him. But that milk is not this milk. That is from the Surabhi cows, and they hear Krishna's flute and they're so in ecstasy that milk keeps coming. And the Devatas, when they go to that place, Goloka, they see all the jewels lying on the ground. And they don't care. Golokavasis are not in the mood of opulence. But it's all lying, and the Chintamani there is different. It is much better than the Chintamani we conceive in this world. That Chintamani is Divya Chintamani. It's all lying on the ground. They just walk on that. They don't care.
Okay.
So, but anyway, the milk thing was very nice. That milk is because of Survi cows. Their ecstasy all the time. So much milk they produce. This whole place is covered with milk. Very nice. I wish you all can hear that. That will clear all the concepts which we had. Very detailed way he explains. Okay. And he gives a lot of references because many other sampradayas, when you go, they are not able to accept Goloka. So he says, one is the shloka of Brahma Samhita, Goloka dhamani nidhamani talecha tasya Devi Mahesha Haridham Shuteshu Teshu. Shobha Mata, you know this shloka?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, you can chant.
So little means Golo Kadamni Nijagamni Taleva Tasya Devi Mahesha
Rama Suteshu Teshu
Te Ava
Govindamadi Purusham.
Shisha is speaking like you speak in Abhishek time. Shobha Mataji, I asked because I thought it will come in, Carnatic classical sound. Nice.
No, Brahma Samhita, all same tune, all are reciting in same tune.
Same tune. But
Brahma Samhita, all are reciting in same tune only, all over the world.
Oh, really?
Yes.
He is not come. He sings in some another raga. Where? Nandanandan Prabhu. On the southern side. Okay, this will more be describe how the this southern side of the ocean water, ocean milk is coming in the next 2 months. That you don't bother. The 7 kind of things are clear. 7 kind of ocean we heard in Bhagavatam also. Ocean of salt water is there on earth. Ocean of milk we heard about this. Ocean of yogurt. Many people like yogurt more than milk is there. Ocean of clarified butter. Imagine butter is so expensive. Yes, you can bring some butter from there. Ocean of sugarcane juice. Yes, we drink nowadays all the malls everywhere sugarcane juice is available. Ocean of liquor.
Salmali Dipa.
Double prices, sir, now.
Yeah, Salmali.
Ocean of liquor, where? Which part of the universe? Where the Danavas or Devatas also go there sometime?
Salmali Dipa. That there are Sapta Dipas are there. Then Dipa, there are one on this one. Jambu Dipa, salt water. Laksha Dipa, sugar cane.
So everybody can go there. See, we can't travel, but the Devatas and Danavas, do they go there? We not read about that, no? There is no mention about that.
This time,
Does Somarasa come in liquor?
No. Somarasa is not liquor. That is Somarasa increases the life. Liquor decreases the life. Isn't it? Devatas drink Somarasa to increase the life. Liquor decreases life. So we cannot compare. It looks like same, and the experience of that moment, it looks same. Just like in the metal world, all pleasures look very happy, but it's like sweet poison. But liquor is kind of sweet poison, but Somarasa is not sweet poison. It is derived from the herbs, no, isn't it? Anyway, whichever way it is derived, it is not liquor.
Yes, sir.
The ocean of sweet. Then people say Devatas are drinking, so we will also drink. That is why we have to immediately stop it. The ocean of sweet water. In fact, when we do Abhisheka, we are using sweet water. We are using yogurt. We are using butter. We are using milk.
Panchamrita.
Yeah.
Correct.
There is Panchamrita and Panchagavya. that
The
all
Lord is
that,
anyway, He has made all these oceans and He's anyway taking bath there. Na?
yeah, yeah, Prabhu.
You know, with all these oceans, He's enjoying taking bath.
But
Spiritual body.
that it you will not touch. You should not touch anything alcohol based. This one to this one for deities.
Yeah,
That-
no, that is not there. That is not.
Yeah,
We touch also, then we cannot do the Abhisheka. You have to go.
yeah, sir, yeah.
So salt water, milk, yogurt, clarified butter,
Sugar cane juice, ghee, milk, yogurt.
Others you can do Abhisheka with practically everything. Salt water also in ocean. Sometimes we take the Lord when we give him bath. है ना?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So we are doing
Panihati.
out of the six of them, you do Abhisheka for the Lord, but you don't do with the sixth one. There will be some explanation somewhere, but this much that is kept for demons. That is kept for demons. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji, 112.
सकल जीवेर तिन्हो हाय अंतर्यामी जगत पालक तिन्हो जगतेर स्वामी.
He is the super soul of all the living entities. He maintains the middle word and he is its Lord.
Purport. The Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Purva 2.36 to 42, gives the following description of the Vishnu Loka within this universe, quoted from the Vishnu Dharmottara. Above Rudra Loka, the planet of Lord Shiva is the planet called Vishnu Loka, 400,000 miles in circumference, which is inaccessible to any mortal living being. Above that Vishnu Loka and east of the Sumeru hill is a golden island called Mahavishnu Loka, in the ocean of salt water. Lord Brahma and other demigods sometimes go there to meet Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu lies there with the goddess of fortune, and it is said that during the 4 months of the rainy season, he enjoys sleeping on that Sheshnag bed. East of Sumeru is the ocean of milk, in which there is a white city on a white island where the Lord can be seen sitting with his consort Lakshmiji on a throne of Shesha. That feature of Vishnu also enjoys sleeping during the 4 months of the rainy season. The Swetdipa in the Milk Ocean is situated just south of the ocean of salt water. It is calculated that the area of Swetdipa is 200,000 square miles. This transcendently beautiful island is decorated with desired trees to please Lord Vishnu and his consort. There are references to Swetdipa in the Brahma Puran, Vishnu Puran, Mahabharata, and Padma Puran, and there is the following reference in Srimad Bhagavatam 11.15.18. Shwet Deepa Pato Chittam Suddhe Dharumai Mai Dharyan Shwetatam Yati Sat Urmi Rahito Nara. My dear Uddhava, you may know that my transcendental form of Vishnu in Swetdipa is identical with me in divinity. Anyone who places this Lord of Swetdipa within his heart can surpass the pangs of the 6 material tribulations: hunger, thirst, birth, death, lamentation, and illusion. Thus, one can attain his original transcendental form.
So see, so much quotations are there. Now, when we are reading all these things, you see that so many references are there to establish this. You know? The Prabhupada say that it is mentioned in Brahmana Purana, Vishnu Purana, Mahabharata, Padma Purana, so much. I don't know how Mayavadis can escape all that. You know? They say they know the Shastra, they say they are Vedantas, but Prabhupada laughs. You know? Therefore, Krishna's arrangement name was Bhakti Vedanta. You know? Vedanta is also known to the devotees, and so much details are there about Shwetadipa. There's a huge space, 200,000 square miles. And the Devatas, this is actually the whole universe is rotating around the Dhruvaloka, and the Shwetadipa is said it is near. That we read in the 5th canto also. It is near the Dhruva's place.
Shwetadipa is there inside Dhruvaloka, Prabhu.
Wait a second, where did it say? Rudra Loka, planet called Vishnu Loka, which is the next to the Vishnu. East to the golden Sumeru hill. Okay, east to the Sumeru hill it was. Okay. Okay, you are saying inside the Dhruvaloka there is Shvetadipa?
One Shvetadipa is there. Shvetadipa, that like Shishumara, that explains that it is curved like a dolphin, that the end of the dolphin, that is where that Shvetadipa is there. In that Lord Vishnu is there. And
So the universe is rotating around Dhruvaloka, it is automatically rotating around the Shvetadipa.
Yeah, that Sumeru, that comes to all this planetary system like a chandelier. All this, all this planetary system will be rotating and like a chandelier. Yeah.
Because my remembrance of reading was Shvetadipa is near Dhruvaloka, but okay, it may be inside. Okay, maybe more detail.
Somewhere they write Dhruv Loka as Vishnu Loka also.
Okay, in that reference, maybe the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Lord Vishnu lies there in the goddess of fortune. It said during the 4 months of the rainy season, he enjoys sleeping on the. So only 4 months he's sleeping, other time he's sitting.
He's sitting.
Huh?
Yeah.
So what they worship in the temple of all this Ananta Padmanabha temple is only the 4 month time.
Chaturmasya.
Huh?
Yeah, the Chaturmasya.
Other time he's sitting.
He's sitting. Yes. Yeah.
East of Sumeru, the ocean of milk, there is a white city in the white island. And enjoy sleeping again during the 4 months of the rainy season. Right?
Yeah. All these demigods, when they get into trouble, they will the Brahma, they will Shiva, and they will go and go to the shore of this Shirodaka ocean and stand this one Purusha Sukta and pray to that Lord Vishnu. Then he with the Brahma Hridaya,
sometimes he come in a Brahma Hridaya, sometimes he manifests in front of them.
Yeah.
Sometimes they Bhagavatam we read, no, he comes in front and they can't see him, and then he manifests.
Yeah.
Sometimes he just he doesn't come, but then Brahma closes his eyes like Krishna's time, and then there is a message.
Then he assures that I'll come like this.
So Brahma's heart must be so pure. He can receive instructions from the Lord. Correct? We can't hear.
That all this one avatar.
Why Brahma is so fortunate? He can hear the Lord sometimes. We are not fortunate.
But he is directly reporting to.
We don't get anything. At least some sound by kuch to chalo. Because his position, his responsibility is very big. So, okay, he reports. Yeah, he has to report to the boss. He reports and the Lord there informs him. But isn't he fortunate, no? To get message in the heart. So fortunate. He translates.
You can become Brahma.
Brahma is Jiva actually is Srishti Shakti actually of the Lord.
Yes, he gets empowered. That's true, and we can become Brahma if we want. Yes.
Yeah.
73%.
Qualities you can get.
60 kala.
Brahmanda Purana, Vishnu Purana, Mahabharata, Padma Purana. We were reading about the 16 energies here, the Shodasha Kala. He's explaining that also in that series, the 4th set of lectures. So that is.
But he has given only 8 there.
Where?
That Gokul Chandra.
You heard the lecture? He talks about 8 of them.
So, yeah, for that 4th time I'm seeing that.
At least 8 more than what we know.
He has given 8.
We know some is Sandhani and Adhani. Rest we don't know. What are they doing?
Yeah.
That is good. He can translate Vishnu Shveta identical with me in divinity. Yes, that is clear. There is no difference. It is same as the Supreme Lord. Anyone who places the Lord of Shvetadeva within his heart, can surpass the pangs of 6 material tribulations. Okay. Hunger, thirst, birth, generation. Chalo, yes, Mataji. Yoga, yes, show Mataji.
Hari Nana Avatara, Dharma Samstapana Kare Adharma Samhara.
In the ages and millenniums of the Manu, he appears as different incarnations, establish the principle of religion and vanquish the principle of irreligion.
Purport. The Lord Vishnu, who lies in the ocean of milk, incarnates himself in various forms to maintain the laws of the cosmos and annihilate the causes of disturbance. Such incarnations are visible in every Manvantara, that is, in the course of the reign of each Manu, who lives for 71 into 43 lakhs 20,000 years. 14 such Manus take their birth and die to yield a place for the next during one day of Brahma.
Okay, so there is a take birth and die, Gaurav. Take birth and die is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now 14, this all, you know, there are 1,000 cycles. So if you divide by 14, they get 71 each. And if you multiply 4 million, this roughly 300 million years is the age of Manu. And our Manu is, what is the name of our Manu? Demant? Demant, what is the name? Vaivasvata, correct?
Yeah.
Vivaswan ka beta.
Vivaswan ka beta. Okay, Vaivasvata. And what was his name in the previous life? The Lord brought the boat, Matsya Avatara. What are the incarnation? What are their pastime? With whom the Matsya Avatara pastime occurred? Gaurav?
Yes, sir. I don't know, sir.
Chandan?
Oh,
I
Shah.
don't remember. I don't remember.
Who remembers? Dhimant, Matsya Avatara किसके साथ हुआ था? What are the king's name? अरे now you know Shisha Sunat Prabhu. Shobha Mataji, do you know?
Ashara Muni Prabhu.
Now what are the king's name? Where, you know, he brings a fish in a small form, then grows bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger.
This
Satyavrata?
Satyavrata.
yeah, Satyavrata.
Satyavrata.
Okay, that is a beautiful pastime of Satyavrata. That anyway, let us not go to that, because let us continue. Point was that our Manu's previous birth was also exalted. Correct? The same Satyavrata became Vaivasvata Manu this life. Isn't it, Shisha?
Yeah, Prabhu.
Confirm. So our Manu is not ordinary, extraordinary devotee. Extraordinary devotee. Manu post is very big post, almost the size of the Brahma's post. He is managing, and each Brahma delegates to him. A lot of work he has. Executive director, very big person. And he gives, Manusha word comes from him, correct? He
Yeah.
gives the Dharma Shastra, Smriti,
Yeah.
how to.
There is a temple for Manu is there in Himachal Pradesh, that Manali, Manarishi temple. That Manali's name came from that.
Shobha Mataji, our Shisha is very fond of Tirtha Yatras, you know.
Nice.
He has seen all the places. So we will arrange with him to take us to show all these places. Okay. But I think 1 year is going to be difficult. I don't know when this Corona thing ends. Good. We are enjoying Bhagavatam. Chaitanya Charitamrita. I think Krishna is saying, finish Chaitanya Charitamrita, then I'll stop this. Anyway, we take advantage of just say when the Grahana comes, it is inauspicious in one sense. But devotees do Kirtan, it becomes more auspicious because of that. The same way, this is like a Grahana, one sense inauspicious. So many people are dying. But we take advantage of the opportunity, and we know nothing lamentable happens in God's kingdom. But we are not powerful like Salala people who have stopped the Corona in their town by heavy chanting. And Manus take bath. Is it clear, everybody? Devan?
But if you multiply Prabhu 71 with 14,
there is little that extra, the changes between that, you know, that gaps. The gaps will come between the Manus and between, you know, one day of Brahma and another day of Brahma. That extra will be used for that, correct?
No, but within 1 day only, no? Within 1 day, this is coming 994. So maybe that sometime.
No, that six is used for the gaps. If you see the time scale which comes in Bhagavatam.
Yeah, so gap between two Manu.
Yeah, between two Manus, all that they put that.
Right. Yeah, and sometimes there is a pralaya also, Khand pralaya between two Manu. Sometime.
Yeah, not that one Manu is there, another Manu come, hey, my time, go. You know, one person goes respectfully and another person comes respectfully. Krishna manages everything perfectly. Yes. So 71, yeah, they get time. Okay. Yeah, let us finish the Shirodakshaya Vishnu last time. Yes, Shobha Mataji.
देवगणेनापाया यानारादर्शना क्षीरोदकतीरेयैकारेण स्तवना.
Unable to see him, the demigods go to the bank of the ocean of milk and offer prayers to him.
Purport. The denizens of heaven who live in the planetary systems, beginning from Swarloka, cannot even see Lord Vishnu in Svetdipa. Unable to reach the island, they can simply approach the beach of the milk ocean to offer transcendental prayers to the Lord, appealing to him on a special occasion to appear as an incarnation.
Oh, and there were Purush Shukta. Sometimes we have big festivals like Janmashtami and all where there's Abhisheka and elaborate. We chant the Purush Shukta. And that time we'll tell Dhiman to refresh, remember and come. Take care, Dhiman. It looks very nice. Prabhupada, you know, when the Madhavendra Puri was doing the Abhisheka ceremony for, in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, we will read later, when the deity of Gopal was found. In that purport, Prabhupada says there, we should do all this chanting in festivals.
Actually, daily I am chanting Prabhupada.
Huh?
Daily I'm doing, when I'm doing Abhishek, I'm chanting that.
Oh, every day you're chanting. Good.
Every day, yeah.
So you tell us, a festival time will tell you to chant. And I wanted to engage this devotees also, Dhimant. They're all born, you know, in families where this is part of their life. Yes, Mataji, Shobha Mataji.
तबे अवतारी खोरे जगत पालना अनंत वैभव तांड्र नाहिक गणना.
He then descends to maintain the metal world. His unlimited opulences cannot be counted. Yes, yes, Mataji.
सेई विष्णु आयान्द्र अंशा सेई प्रभु नित्यानंद सर्व अवताम.
That Lord Vishnu is but a part of the plenary part of Lord Nityananda, who is the source of all incarnations. Yes.
Purport. The Lord of Svetdipa has immense potency for creation and destruction. Sri Nityanand Prabhu, being Baldeva himself, the original form of Sankarsana, is the original form of the Lord of Svetdipa.
Okay, so we understood the way Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is going. Very authoritative, with a lot of evidence is talking about the different manifestation of Balaram in this world. And each one of them, he said, is finally Balaram. Shirodakshaya Vishnu or Garbhodakshaya, they're all expansion of Balaram, and Nityananda Prabhu is the same Balaram. Now, starting from 117th, which we will do tomorrow, he is talking about Ananta Shesha. Okay? This we will discuss, I think, because there are a lot of shlokas, a lot of things are there. We can read tomorrow. Okay? Then after that, he talks about, this is over. And after that, he will talk about the pastime. He said, this is Meena Ketana Ramadasa, was the pastime where Nityananda Prabhu appeared in his dream. Just give me, let me mark. Yes. So what do we sing today, Gaurav?
Sir, can we sing Hari Hari Bifale? In that it says no. Balram Hoilo Nitahe.
Okay, okay. Okay, this we did. This we did. Yeah, we have done. So we start here. Let me just put a mark. 117. Okay. Yes, quickly, Gaurav, you locate. I'll come out of this.
Yes, sir.
Oh, but you can't do both. No? Okay, yeah, you can locate and put.
I'll put the.
Chat, what is it? Shriram, Sushmita. Yeah, fatafat. I'll come out.
Yes, sir. No problem. I'm just.
Yeah. Yeah, you came out, Gaurav. Again, go.
Yes, sir. Yes. I'll just open, sir. Yeah. Where is it?
You
Yes,
want me? I can share you. I
I
can.
located, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hare Hare Bifale Janamagurano Manusya Janamapaya Krishna Nambhadiya Janiya Shuniya Bisha I know Jani just give me a second. Janiya Shuniya Bisha I know. Sir, is my voice coming?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, sir. I thought I was on mute.
No, it's okay. We are hearing.
Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana Satina Janmilo Kenita Satina Janmilo Kenita Samsara Vishanale Ibaneshe Ajale Raite na koino pai Rajendra Nandana Jai Sachi Sutta koilo she Balaram hoino Balaram hoino Hare Name Utarilo Tara Sakshi Jagai Mandai Aha Prabhu Nanda Sutta Rishabhanu Sutta Juta Aruna Koro Narottam Das ko Natali ho Ranga Pai नरोत्तम दास कोई काठली हो रंगा पाए तुम बिन के आछे अमार तुम बिन के आछे अमार. Yes, that's it.
Okay, we can read the translation, Gaurav. We can go down. Who will read the translation? Hare Krishna. Prabha Mataji, you like to read? Hey, Gaurav, why you came out the translation?
Sorry.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Hare Krishna, Prabha Mataji. She is silent. Who else is there? Krishnan Dasan, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Hey, Gaurav.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranams.
You would like to read the translation? We'll hear.
Yeah, Prabhu. Sure, Prabhuji. Can I read now?
Yeah, Prabhuji.
O Lord Hari, I have spent my life uselessly, having obtained a human birth and having not worshipped Radha and Krishna. I have knowingly drunk poison. The treasure of divine love in Goloka Vrindavana has descended as the congregational chanting of Lord Hari's holy names. Why did my attraction for the chanting never come about? Day and night, my heart burns from the fire of the poison of worldliness, and I have not taken the means to relieve it. Lord Krishna, who is the son of King of Braja, became the son of Sachi, Lord Chaitanya, and Balarama became Nita. The holy name delivered all those souls who were lowly and wretched. The two sinners, Jagai and Madai, are evidence of this. Krishna, son of Nanda, accompanied by the daughter of Rishabhanu, please be merciful to me now. Narottama Dasa says, O Lord, please do not push me away from your reddish lotus feet, for who is my beloved except for you. Hare Krishna.
So nice, Prabhuji. है ना? Chalo, at least Gaurav, come out of this. Yes, thank you everybody. Chalo, so we can remember Hari Hari Bifale Janma Goayu.
Yeah, Jason has sent some documentation.
Okay. So thank you everybody. Gaurav, Shanmuka Sundaram, Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Thank you very
Srisha
much for joining.
Prabhuji, how can you remember so many things and so many slokas?
Who? Shisha. He is a
Wow.
dictionary. Whenever we have a class, he is there, very useful for me. If I forget a shloka, I ask him. Mataji, he is just like you, he is also Madhva Brahmin from childhood, pure Satagoda. Already Krishna Bhakti was there. He got more mercy of Lord Chaitanya. So already at his home, these are Brahmins means they have to remember shlokas, isn't it? Patan is part of their life.
Yes. And knowledge also.
Huh?
Knowledge also, Prabhu.
Oh, he
Knowledge.
keeps reading. He has all these books with him, Brihad Bhagavatam, Lagu Bhagavatam, keeps reading. In Gokul Chandra, I'm told you the videos are already seen.
Who knows everything?
Yeah, he keeps reading, Mataji, spends time studying. Okay? And by Krishna's grace, he has no anxiety. He's happy. And not only that, Mataji, you know his family, there are at least 15-20 people are chanting 1600 in his family.
Hari Hari Bol.
Left, right, center. Already over a long time ago, he made them devoted long time ago. Anna? From his wife's side, oh my God, all his brothers are devotees.
Wow, so nice.
And they were with us for some time, amazing. Okay. Chalo, Dhiman
Okay.
Prabhu, Hare Krishna. So nice he joined us. Gaurav. Here, 3 students were there who were related to me once a student. Now they are wonderful devotees. Gaurav, Chandan, Dhiman, 3 people are there. Amrita Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji.
Thank you for joining. Krishna Dasan Prabhu. Manjunath, Hare Krishna. And then there is Prabha Mataji. There is Radha Mataji, Hare Krishna. We didn't hear your voice.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
so much. It was so nice.
Thank you. Shanmuka Sundaram is there. And then Sushmita Mataji. And then we have Rajan. Yes. Shri Ram, Hare Krishna, Shri Ram.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. So we end today. Already with 10 minutes crossed over. Okay, as Krishna's grace, this is all going on. So we are reading Nityananda's pastime. Okay, everybody can see those videos when you get time. I found it a very amazing explanation. Okay, spend time when you get patiently. Shri Prabhupada ki. Panchakalpatarubhascha kripa sindhaveva cha pathanam pavanebhyo vaishnavyo namo namaha.